So let's see if we can check this out. I'm gonna open or try to figure out how to open this thing. I gotta grab a knife. Before we open it, let's check it out. So we have an 18-inch powered subwoofer. It says switchable crossover, sleek, modern look, 1500 watts. So live music DJ. So yeah, that's Harbinger for you. And it looks like it also comes with that rollers on it, so I can this thing is just pretty heavy, so I should say it's pretty cool. Alright, let's open it. Gotta be gentle. Alright. So, yeah. It's pretty packed in there. Okay, so we got this. The plug. Put it right there. I don't know what this is. I think it's the rollers. Yep. It's the rollers. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Actually came with rollers. Nice. Well, oh no, I gotta move this. I think the manual or something. Yep. It's the manual. And the actual product itself. Awesome. So, ow. Oh man. Let me just remove this from the box. Okay. Wow. Oh shit. This thing's pretty heavy. Ah, man. Oh, shoot. Oh, goodness. Oh. Come on. Wow. How heavy is this? Oh, shoot. I gotta carry this around and play music. Oh, Lordy Lord. Okay. Open the bottom box. Alright. There we go. Man, I even fit in the box. Shoot. Oh, Lord. Alright. Let's check it out. Okay, so we got part of it open. So this is the back, or the amplifier, or the mixer, or the power board. So there you go. You got an XLR input output, or actually XLR input output, and then 1/4 inch input. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And let's get a close up of that. So that looks like the power, or the frequency, how much frequency you want. to come out. It has a crossover, has a phase, I don't know what that is, but and we got, I don't know, the power, and we'll also have the, I don't know what that is, but voltage selector, so 110. So, and there's, oh, okay, I see. Yeah. Wow, that's pretty interesting. So there's a 220. So 220 watts, I think, is like when you're like outside the country. I don't, you know. I think that's a converter too, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, this is the brand new VâRi Harbinger 18-watt subwoofer. They call it the V2218S. It's one of the VâRi series. Let's open it. Let's stand it up so we can actually see it. So yeah, there you go. So yep, this is what you get when you buy this brand new V2218S Harbinger VâRi series. So yeah, and we're gonna try to turn it on and test it. But before that, before we test it, we're gonna put the wheels on so I can roll it around. Alright, so we're gonna install this. I'm gonna take off the screws. It's nice that they have this little rollers, because this thing is definitely heavy, and to move around it's like it's a pain in the butt. But I am just glad that Harbinger came out with a subwoofer with a 1500 watt, because I've been looking for a subwoofer for a while, and I've been looking at different price range, and this is so far affordable and the most the best bang for your buck. And I tested this on Guitar Center, and the whole place shook. Like it felt like it was like, you know, had an earthquake on it. And I test the other subwoofers that they're selling, but I wasn't really impressed. So I was impressed with this one. So that's why I bought this one. For the price, like I said, guys, for the price of this subwoofer, this is the best, you know. I mean, it's crazy. This thing is amazing. And I've been using a lot of Harbinger equipment, and so far, I have to say, guys, this is the best. That's all I'm gonna say, you know. I mean, I'm just like so happy that Harbinger came out with this. So enough me talking. I'll fast forward this, or I'll fast forward the video so you can see how it looks like with all the things. Okay, so that's how it looks like on the back of the Harbinger. Oh man, my back hurts now. Took longer than I thought, but yeah, it's worth it. See? Yeah, it's really nice. So I had the rollers, and I don't have to lift it and, you know, hurt my back. Alright, let's test it. So, this is my setup. My Harbinger right there, and my my other, you know, loudspeaker Harbinger. So anyway, this is the subwoofer. I really like this, so I really suggest that you guys get one for yourself. I'm gonna make a sound test video in a little bit, and you guys can click it on the next video. But yeah, so this is one of the most amazing subwoofer I ever had. I really like that light. By the way, you can turn that off too. So it's really awesome, and I'll see you guys in the next video for the sound test.